These three birds flew the skies not so long ago, but silence is all that remains. The last one went from billions to zero shockingly fast. But first, if you want to help protect the birds we still have, like and subscribe to the channel. Dodo, flightless island icon, driven extinct by habitat loss and introduced species. Carolina parakeet, North America's lost parrot, hunted for feathers and seen as a crop pest until none were left. Passenger pigeon, once darkened the skies, numbering in the billions, wiped out by relentless hunting in mere decades.